Hello folks, it's your guy Tech Ops. Welcome back. Today you guys are seeing a bunch of guys performing surgery on this very catalytic converter. Why are they doing this? Why are they brutally performing a surgical operation on the catalytic converter? Let me show you a little bit. When you have a fake catalytic converter in your car, you're going to be sacrificing the engine, because the fake catalytic converter is going to be clogging up quicker than you can say T, and your engine is going to be warming up to join its ancestors in the cemetery if you don't act fast. That is exactly what happened in this very car here. This customer bought a counterfeit catalytic converter and it got plugged up. The engine is having a serious devastating issues such as poor throttle response, loss of power, a whole lot of problems, less emission coming out of the tailpipe. So, and how do you notice this? The catalytic converter will start getting red hot instantly. It shouldn't get red hot. If it gets red hot while the engine is working without misfiring, then that shows there is a very big problem with the catalytic converter being plugged. So guys, now that you know what it is, beware of fake catalytic converter. It is not a death sentence if you're in Africa. If yours is bad, don't let the sellers fool you. It is not how it sounds. It's just one of those fear that we're injecting to people to force them to buy the catalytic converter. As a matter of fact, those who even produce it don't care about the environment. They are more after the money, whether I like it or not. And that's why this customer have chosen this very brutal reality right now. So, see you.